Now we are going to take a look at how to create a note-taking framework for use during your lecture or seminar. Here at Goldsmiths, many lecturers put details of upcoming lectures or seminars onto Learn.Gold. This is Goldsmiths Virtual Learning Environment, or VLE for short. Here's an example of a slides put up on the BA Design page. We can see here that the lecturer has provided us with some reading material to help with our pre-reading. However, at first glance it doesn't look like we have a lot of other information to go on to help build a framework. On closer inspection though, I can see that there are some questions which will definitely help guide my reading. But before I can broach these questions, I can see some unfamiliar concepts also. So the first thing I need to do is highlight these unfamiliar concepts, and I'm then going to add them to my new framework. So I've highlighted these concepts, now they're ready to go into my framework. Here's the framework in the early stages of preparation. However, please note that I have put the week, the date, the module title or the title of the lecture. This is in order that I can help keep my notes in order. So now under the unfamiliar concepts, I've put the three concepts I'm not sure about: ubiquity, divergence testing and bug lists. Now I'm ready to go off and do some pre-reading to find out what these concepts mean. Once I've looked up the meanings of these concepts, I can then add them, as you can see here, to my framework. I'm now ready to go off and investigate the questions. So here we've been given the questions, which has made it nice and easy for us. So we have what is design, and I'm going to highlight these in a different colour. Then we've already put ubiquity into our framework, so we'll just highlight the question. And again, we've put divergence testing in, so we'll highlight the question. Here's our final question. We'll highlight that like so. There we are. So now I'm ready to put these questions into my framework. Now you can see the framework is beginning to build, and here are my questions. What is design? As design is so commonplace. Now I've replaced ubiquity with commonplace because I now know what that means, and I find the term commonplace easier. So you can see I've put in my questions, and I'm ready to go off and read and find the answers. Please also note that I've numbered these questions. This is important, since if you're not able to take a laptop into class and you've made your framework out of class, you'll have given your questions numbers, and if you run out of space during your lecture in your framework, if you've printed one off, then you're able to just number the paper, add notes for the particular question you're answering, and then you can insert these additional notes into your framework when you get home.